easiest way to tie the string line for it to become taut and easy to undo without having knots is I just make a loop 5 or 6 times, hook it over the nail, then use the existing bit of line to pull, loop the line back around the nail a couple of times, and then take the whole line over the top and then back under, and then pull it around the back and loop a couple of times more. That's going to hold it taut and be very easy to undo without any knots also. If you need to undo it, there you go, no knots. When we adjust the nail to make it square, we'll do it again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure you pull it very taut. Hook it over a couple times. Then back around again. And that'll hold it tight.